Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, in just about 5 minutes, I want to answer one question very clearly that keeps coming up. What exactly is AWS Bedrock and why everyone is talking about it? Let's get on to it straight without further ado. Here is the one-line answer for you. Bedrock is fully managed AWS service that lets you use top AI foundation models through a single API. You need no servers to manage. Remember three things here. It is one API for many models, no infrastructure to run. And finally, your data stays yours. It is never used to train the base models. Hold on to these three very important points. Now, first, we need to clearly understand what's a foundation model. It's quick basic. What's a foundation model? It's a large pre-trained AI model you can use right away for chat, text, images, code, and more. The beauty of Bedrock is that you don't get locked into any one. You get Anthropic's Claude, Amazon's own Nova models, Meta's Llama Mistral, OpenAI models, and many more, all in one place. You have the freedom to pick the right model for the job and swap anytime using the same code. Alright, why teams reach for Bedrock? So why do we choose Bedrock? 4 reasons. First, model choice. Many providers. One unified API. No lock-in. Second, it's serverless. No GPUs to manage. No capacity planning. You pay for what you use. Third, enterprise security. Your data is in encrypted format in the transit as well as at the rest. And again, it's not used to train the base models. Finally, you build, you don't wire. Bedrock gives you higher level building blocks ready out of the box. It's going to be easy for you. What actually you get from Bedrock? What are the things that we can get? The building blocks. And these building blocks are the real magic. 3 big ones. First one is the knowledge bases. That's managed RAG. You connect your own documents and answers come back very much grounded and sourced from your data. Second, the agents. The agents do multi-step reasoning and call tools, APIs, etc. to get the tasks done very clearly. And finally, last but not the least, the guardrails. The policy-based safety that filters harmful content, blocks topics that you don't want, and helps catch hallucinations. You get all these without building it yourself. That's the best point. Let's get into agent core. And when you are ready to take agents to production, there is Amazon's Bedrock agent core availability. It is a dedicated runtime that handles the heavy lifting. The memory, the identity, the scaling, the observability, all comes into it. Here is the mental model I want you to keep. Bedrock is the engine, knowledge bases, agents, and guardrails are the parts. Agent core is the vehicle that lets it drive itself. Alright, when Bedrock makes sense, when can I choose this? If you are already on AWS and want AI without standing up new infrastructure, go for this. If you want to compare or swap models without rewriting your code, go for this. If you need answers grounded in your own private data, please go for it. If enterprise security and compliance matter to you, go for it. And if you want to ship agents to production, not just build prototypes, choose this. So, in one line, Bedrock equals top AI models plus ready-made building blocks plus AWS grade security, all behind one API. You bring the idea, Bedrock handles the plumbing. That's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next session shortly.